Kamusta mga balibulista? Nasungkit ang UP Fighting Marons ang una nilang panalo matapos pataubin ng Adamson Soaring Falcons 19-25, 25-23, 25-23, 28-26. Best player of the game si Clarence Santiago matapos humakot ng 7 points mula sa 3 attacks, 1 block at 3 aces na may kasamang 26 excellent sets. Pinataob naman ng FEU Tamaros ang UST Golden Spikers 25-23, 25-27, 25-22, 25-15. Best player of the game si Ariel Cacao sa likod ng kanyang 2 points mula sa 1 attack at 1 block na may kasamang 25 excellent sets. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Para naman sa Women's Division, panalo ang Adamson Lady Falcons kontra sa UP Lady Marons 25-17, 23-25, 20-25, 25-23, 15-13. Best player of the game si Karen Verdipdor matapos nagtala ng 25 excellent digs at 15 excellent receptions. Pinataob din ng FEU Lady Tamaros ang UST Golden Tigresses 19-25, 25-19, 21-25, 25-20, 15-10. Best player of the game si Faida Bacanqui sa likod ng kanyang 21 points mula sa 15 attacks, 4 blocks at 2 aces. Heto ang mga laro ngayong April 14, 2024 na gaganapin sa Mall of Asia Arena. Maghaharap ang UE Red Warriors at Ateneo Blue Eagles alas 10 ng umaga. Maglalaban naman ang Inyo Bulldogs at Del Eso Green Spikers alas 12 ng tanghali. Para naman sa Women's Division, magtutos ang UE Lady Warriors at Ateneo Lady Eagles alas 2 ng hapon. Kakalabanin naman ang Inyo Lady Bulldogs ang Del Eso Lady Spikers alas 4 ng hapon. Heto ang team standings ng Men's Division as of April 13, 2024. FEU Tamaros 10 wins 1 loss, NU Bulldogs 9 wins 2 losses, Del Eso Green Spikers 7 wins 3 losses, UST Golden Spikers 7 wins 5 losses, Ateneo Blue Eagles 5 wins 6 losses, Adamson Soaring Falcons 4 wins 7 losses, UE Red Warriors 1 win 9 losses, UP Fighting Marons 1 win 11 losses. Heto naman ang team standing sa Women's Division as of April 13, 2024. UST Golden Tigresses 10 wins 2 losses, Del Eso Lady Spikers 9 wins 1 loss, NU Lady Bulldogs 9 wins 2 losses, FEU Lady Tamaros 7 wins 4 losses, Ateneo Lady Eagles 3 wins 8 losses, Adamson Lady Falcons 3 wins 8 losses, UE Lady Warriors 2 wins 8 losses, UP Lady Marons 1 win 11 losses. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.